Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitya from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this video, we are going to learn about the subject that is Theory of Computation, and the topic is Review on TOC, which I have chosen from one of the survey papers of TOC. Table of Contents: Abstract, Introduction, Division in Theory of Computation, and Conclusion. Abstract: Automata theory, that is also considered as theory of computation, is defined as a branch of theory of computer science and mathematics that generally focuses on logic of computation in respect to easy machines, which are referred to as automata. The philosophy of computation in theoretical computer science is the field that utilizes an algorithm to decide whether something, how questions can be easily solved on a mathematical model. The sciences are classified into three major groups. Those are theory of technology, programming science, and science of machine. Introduction. Throughout computer science, the computational philosophy is the division that utilizes an equation to decide whether and how problems can be solved efficiently on a machine model. The area is split into three main branches: software theory, computational science, and science of computing complexity. Computer scientists use a conceptual representation of machines called the numerical model to perform systematic analysis of computing. Various methods are being implemented, but the Turing machine is the most frequently studied. Automation theory in computer science is the analysis of abstract machines and computation problems that can be solved over the use of such machines. R sees an input symbol, it switches or jumps to a new condition according to its transfer future, which requires feedback from the current position and previous symbol. Automate uses design and parsing of compiler. Here we have finite automata model, which has starting point or initial state, which is represented in a single circle, and ending point or a final state, which is represented in double circles, and the middle states are known as intermediate states. Computability theory is a subset of mathematical philosophy, information science, and information engineering developed in 1930s from researching the machine feature and Turing graduations. Computer science engineering is defined as recursion theory. Computability theory is a subset of mathematical logic. Computer science and computation philosophy is often referred to as recursion philosophy and beginning in 1930s. In learning computable functions and Turing degrees. The area of analysis for universal computability and definability has since grown. Recursion theory overlaps with evidence theory and effective coincide set theory in these fields. Although expertise and methodology have major overlaps, mathematical theories research comparatively abstract philosophy concept of degree structures in computer sciences. They focus on recursive order, structured methodology, and structured languages. Analysis of a compiler. Recognize the pattern by using regular expressions. Use of Mealy and Moore expressions for designing the combination and sequential circuits. Helpful in text editors. Used for spell checkers. Finite, deterministic, and standard languages. In this case, this paper means an abstract instead of a real system. When thinking about a system, and usually think about computational algorithm that can be applied in a real-time machine. The system definitions are descriptive but are meant to be detailed enough to create a solutions. An hypothesis is a theory that involves valid mathematics. The proof is the equivalent of mathematical observations which prove that a hypothesis is valid. The proof: one of the hypotheses includes the premises of theory to be tested already, which has proved theorems. Automata theory. The philosophy of automation is the analysis and usage of theoretical control devices and programming issues. This is a philosophy in informatics, technical and practical control, subject in research in math and informatics. The car is made up of states represented by circle in the figure and transformations. If the automation sees an input symbol, a change or a jump into new state takes the current state and the recent symbol as its inputs. According to its transformation function, automata theory has close link with the philosophy of formal language, and automation is the finite, infinite formal language. Here are some of the applications of different automata in TOC. The first one is design of lecture analysis of a compiler. Recognize the pattern by using regular expressions. Use of Mealy and More expressions for designing the combination and sequential circuits. Helpful in text editors. Used for spell checkers. The applications of push-down automata are as follows: used in the syntax analysis phase, implementation of stack applications, used in the evaluation of arithmetic expressions, used for the Tower of Hanoi problem, used in the evaluation of arithmetic expressions, used for solving the Hanoi problem. This paper addresses the concept of theory of computation along with the principle of complexity, program science, and the automated principle in this post. This is a topic of research both in mathematics and in data science, in theoretical computer science and discrete mathematics. Computability theory is a subset of mathematical logic, computer science, and computation theory that began in 1930s by researching computerized functions and Turing degrees. This division is also known as recursion theory. Additionally, some of the applications are also described.